Hey, federal employees, quick reality check. Even in the new return to office mandate, there are still options, and OPM just talked about a new one. So share this with every federal employee I think you need to know. Give me 3 minutes, and I'll show exactly how you can claim that your faith might cause you to need to telework and how to protect your medical needs too. First, the headline. Yesterday, new guidance OPM told every agency telework could be a fix for religious accommodation. Need Sabbath off, daily prayer breaks, fasting privacy. OPM says telework is often a low-cost solution, so agencies are strongly encouraged to say yes. So why the change? I think in part legally thanks to the Supreme Court's 2023 Groff decision, which killed an old de minimis loophole, and it's replacing with a real test. I think your agency should deny an otherwise valid request only if it causes significant operational hardship. Think mission critical disruption and not minor inconvenience. So how do you get in on this new leverage? Well, put your request in writing, state the religious practice, such as I observe sundown to sundown Sabbath, need 2 10-minute prayer breaks, then propose the solution, right? Telework every Friday after 3, staggered start during Ramadan. Send it to your supervisor and copy your EEO office. Timing matters. It's not required, but I would try to file it at least 30 days before the event wherever possible. Screenshot every email, Teams chat, sticky note, paper trails can win cases. If they push back, demand the reason in writing. Under OPM's memo, I think denials that cite significant operational impact need to come with evidence. So no evidence, that's good for you. Remember, telework isn't your only arrow for religious accommodations. You can swap shifts, use credit hours, flex your schedule, bank comp time, or mix annual leave. But telework is the easiest and cheapest, and agencies know it. If you want help with a request or have been denied a religious accommodation, you have 45 days to file with the EEOC, and the stronger your case, the more it makes sense to reach out to an attorney. If you're interested in a consultation with us, feel free to check out our website to learn more about us at fedlegalhelp.com/firm. Right now, faith isn't the only reason the law has your back. In many cases, agencies still are on the hook for medical and disability accommodations under the Rehab Act and the ADA. Chronic illnesses, pregnancy complications, long COVID, PTSD, anything that substantially limits a major life activity might qualify. So in that case, here are some tips on how you should ask. Your doctor says office allergens, crowd exposure, or commute strain worsens your condition, or you need specialized equipment or midday treatment, on-site stress or noise triggers debilitating symptoms. Any of those ring a bell? Put your request for telework in writing. Attach a concise doctor's note describing restrictions linked to your PD. Never your whole medical file and start the interactive process. Telework, modified duties, ergonomic gear, flexible hours could all be on the table. Here's the kicker. The agency should generally refuse only if it proves undue hardship with concrete facts, budget numbers, staffing charts, mission deadlines. We just prefer people to be there is not a legal defense. Now, in reality, it's much more complex. They can push back and often oppose these for so many reasons. It often makes sense to work with an attorney during this. I'm sure you have heard and maybe experienced horror stories yourself. If you want legal help or assistance with a request or have been denied a medical accommodation or facing retaliation, you might only have 45 days to file with the EEOC. The stronger your case, the more it makes sense to reach out to an attorney. So if you're interested in a consultation with us, please check out our website again at fedlegalhelp.com/firm. The bottom line, whether it's your faith or your health, you do have accommodation rights. If your supervisor stonewalls, delays, or retaliates, often it's not wise to go it alone. We have helped many feds turn no into approved. Again, you can grab a confidential consultation with us. We'll review your paperwork, coach you through necessary appeals, and if necessary, fight with you before the EEOC or in federal court if we represent you. Please feel free to share this video with every colleague who skipped services or worked sick because they feared losing telework, and follow us for more straight talk legal tips. Let's make the federal workplace work for you. Thank you everybody for your support, and I hope you have a good day.